Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today we are making these accordion fold butterflies with our alphabet mini punch board. So I'm going to give you the measurements. You'll need a lightweight scrap sheet of cardstock cut at 3 inches by 2.3 of an inch, and you will take it and place your cardstock on the 3-inch side and angle it at the 1/2 inch mark. Hope you can see that. It's right up, like right about here. You'll angle it like this. Now it won't go all the way. You'll need some scissors to finish trimming. So I'm going to show you just how that looks. Just like that. Okay, see how it did not go all the way over, so you'll need to finish trimming with your scissors. Like so. See how that looks? Now you'll flip it and do the same thing because it's just easier to explain. Okay, repeat the same steps and okay, and okay, we're going to get like a shape like this. Okay, now to make this easy, you could go over here and make your punches. So what you'll do is punch along this short end, not the top, but at the bottom of this odd shape. So we're just going to angle it so it's all the way where this punch is. Let me zoom in so you can see where I'm punching. Okay, it's right here where this top punch is, and you angle it just where I'm showing. And make sure it's all the way in. Give it a punch, and then we're going to flip it like this and punch in the same portion at the lower half of this odd shape. Just like that. And this is what you'll get. Okay, now we're going to use the bottom punch, and we're just going to round the corners of all the sides of this odd shape. So you're just going to, now some people would ask, shouldn't you score it first? Well, you can, but sometimes this punch is really funny and it's hard to slide this in when it has ridges and stuff. So you can try it and see how it works for you, but I don't do it because I've tried it before, and for me, my punch works funny. So I'm not going to score it first. So I'm going to give it a punch and round the corners. But go ahead and try it and see if it works for you, if you want to score first before doing all these punches. Okay, see, it's already having issues sliding in, and it's a smooth surface. So let me try to slide this in. Let's see, something must be stuck in here. I don't know what's going on. But let me try to slide this in. Okay, hopefully it'll slide in smooth for you. All boards are different. Okay, so that slid in okay. All right, now I'm going to repeat the bottom and round the corners. See, it's giving me an issue again. Okay, I'm going to slide this in. All right, and then I'm going to slide this in again and repeat. Okay, now this is all rounded, and now we're going to score. Okay, I'm going to get my scoring board out, and we're going to score every 1/4 of an inch. I am using the small Martha Stewart mini scoring board. You can use whatever scoring board you wish, but it doesn't take much to score this. Now, once you get this scored and folded, you can use twine or you can use some bead wire to hold it all together. But this is every 1/4 of an inch that we are scoring until we reach the end of this little odd shape. But it's not really hard to score this odd shape. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and you just fold it back and forth. If you don't have a scoring board, you can just fold it the best way you can, back and forth on your own without the scoring board. It's all up to you. So I'm just folding this on camera, folding it back and forth, and then when you reach the end, just fold it like that. Everything's all folded nice and crisp. Then it looks like this. Okay, once you get it all folded, we're going to bend the center of this design like so. Just like that, and bend it back and forth, and that will create the butterfly design. And then you can take some twine and tie it together, which I do have some right here. Just got a little thin piece. Okay, what you will do is take some twine, wrap it around your butterfly, and tie it really, really tight so that it does not gather. So tie it tight so that it does not go loose, and then you will do a double knot like so. Don't let it come undone. Make sure it's tight. And then when you do your double knot, then you'll clip the ends. No, it should not come undone. And then you can just cut that with your scissors. Okay. So then you can unfold your butterfly like so. It should loosen up, and here you go, your mini accordion fold butterfly made with the mini alphabet punch board. Okay, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Here is my first one that I showed you at the beginning of the video. They're really cute and easy to do. So a long-awaited video. I know many of you have requested that I do one for the small punch board, but yes, it can be done in a small version. So have fun making these. Take care and have a fabulous day.